my loves, today is vlog day. Welcome to vlog number 2. For those of you who are new, I'm Raveena Singh and I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. Today is day 1 of the moving process and I'm going to start by going through the 2 cabinets in my parents' dining area. While one has the serving dishes, the other has Mum's baking things, and surprisingly I find a lot of other things which I guess do not fit anywhere else. So step 1 is, and probably always will be, removing everything from the cabinet. And when I say everything, I literally mean everything, because I even got my son to remove the sliding doors. It's so much easier to work with an open front with no doors blocking it. There are lots of baking tins and nozzles, as my mom is a trained cake chef, and let me tell you, her fruit cake is simply to die for. There is a vacuum cleaner, there's some lighting, a couple of baskets were among the things in this cabinet. Now, as some of you know, my parents and my family are moving in together. It makes sense as they are alone and are getting older, and we look forward to spending time with them. And I know there is so much I still want to learn from them, including the fruitcake I mentioned and her cherry cake. Plus, it'll be much more efficient to run one bigger home than 2 apartments. I also worked with this console cabinet alongside with the other one. As you can see, my mom favors clear glass dishes over the white ones that I'm absolutely obsessed with. Now, with us moving in together, we need to be a little more strict with what we keep. We simply cannot house doubles and numerous sets of dishes. Our pairing needs to be very practical, and there's not much room for sentimentality here. My mom and I are practically squabbling over this one piece. I would like you to tell me in the comments if it's nice and if we should keep it. Step 2 is, of course, to wipe down the shelves. Then, surrounded by all the clear glass dishes, we did step 3. We selected and started putting back what we were keeping. While doing this, I'm also going to get my mom's approval on the items that I want to donate. All the while I'm doing the sorting, in my mind's eye, I'm picturing my own dishes, what I have and don't, what I will replace with mom's while giving mine away, and what we can combine to make one big set. Finding a few covers and a few pieces missing, I asked my daughter to look in the kitchen for these pieces. Instead of just getting me those pieces, she decided to empty out a few shelves in the butler's pantry so I could do a more KON MARIE style declutter by knowing in totality what dishes we have and therefore working out exactly how many we need to declutter. My mom has these nice square baking dishes while mine are all rectangular, and she has a lot of small serving dishes mostly with lids. I guess with it just being mum and dad, this was the perfect size for them. There are also a few boxes in this cabinet which went into the kitchen, and I decided to put the small electrical appliances in the other cabinet. The vacuum cleaner is going to take up the most space, so that should go in first. It doesn't fit at the bottom, so I'm going to have to put it in here along with all the attachments, of course. On the bottom shelf, I'm going to put the lighting. This will be very handy for whoever leases the house from my dad to have the spares handy. I also found a nebulizer which I will keep until I figure out who it was bought for. And since I'm putting the boxed items here, it makes sense for me to put the boxes with the cupcake maker and the griddle in here too. I am a little afraid of breaking this dish if I don't put it away, so I'm going to jump to this shelf here and put it there. Going with the color, I'm also going to place the gold tray with it. Now above the vacuum, I'm going to place the disposable food containers and then these cake containers. In the same green, these round baskets. Everyone seems to have these IKEA baskets. And I have put some baking items into them. More baking things above that. And the muffin and pastry horn shapers are here. Pastry brushes all in a tray. A cake box with this delicate filigree work and a box of nozzles. And in this space, a small cake decor kit. The pressure cooker from the console cabinet can go up here until we move. And lastly, I have this box of baking things my mom has gone through, and I will put it under here so the baking stuff can all be together. That's quite a bit of stuff to bless some other family with over here. So if you have enjoyed watching me clear these cabinets, give this vlog a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to follow me on this journey. Until the next video, this is Raveena saying happy homemaking.